Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Karina and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna do a room tour. Room tour. I am really excited for this video because if you subscribe to Sis vs Bro, you know that me and my brother did a room tour video like ages ago, but now my room is like a completely different world and I need to do another room tour because it's like nowhere near the same as like the last one. So yeah, let's do that. And don't mind my outfit for today. I'm just wearing some lazy gear, pigment slippers, easy shirt, sweatpants. You know the drill. Lazy gear, yes, for the win. All right, so we're gonna start from the front door. So at the front I got my name, Karina's room, in shiny letters. That's my mirror. Yeah, so that's fun. I got shiny letters on my door, Karina's room, yes. And then I got my closet. That's like where we walk into, my closet. Start with this bit. This used to be where all my clothes were, but now I moved all my clothes to there, and there, and there, and there. So now they're not here anymore. So bottom shelf, I got nothing. Here, I have so many art supplies, it's crazy. I got a box full here, here, here. I got a box full there, and this box also, this blue one too. Now on the second shelf, I got more art supplies. Got this box, this box, this box. Not really this box though, but still. And I got like sketchbooks, how to draw books, and scrap paper books. All right there. Right there. So it's kind of messy, but I like it. So I got my, up here, I got my school uniform. I don't know why this unicorn shirt is here. I'm gonna have to clean that up in a minute, but yes. Up here is about the Ren's things. Like, I like have Ren's things here. I got my oversized lacy sweater. I got some blue jeans. I don't know why they're there, just don't questions. And I got my sewing stuff. Yes. All right, and over here, here is my favorite part. Okay, so let's start with the top. All right, this little thing divides, that little thing right there divides these two sections because these two are completely different. Okay, so I got coats and jackets all right here. And right here I got sweaters and long sleeve t-shirts all right here. And over here, you can see they're split up. There, there, and there. Now, I meant to put that there because I'm organizing them. All right. Here, I have crop tops. These are all my crop tops. Here, I have off the shoulder shirts. And I have like a different kind of off the shoulder shirts here. So that's why they're a little bit closer. These ones are like circles and these ones are like literally off the shoulder. Like that. So yeah. And then here, I have some of my favorite t-shirts right here. But are not off the shoulder, not cropped, but just some of my favorites, and some of them I need to hang up, like this one. This one's like really flowy and I need to hang it up or else it'll get wrinkled. So yeah, got that there. Here is my shoes. I got a lot of shoes. I have a shoe problem and I need to sort my shoe problem out. These are some of my favorite shoes. They're from Desigual and I love them so much. I also love these brown sandals. I love them, these ones as well. And those sandals as well. Yes. I got some hollow shoes. They're awesome. Look at these. Like, they're hollow shoes. Who doesn't want hollow shoes? And yes, I got my flip-flops right there. This corner is just a bunch of random things. I have this night lamp stand thingy, lamp. Yes, it's called a lamp. And I got a bunch of other random things there. I have some Christmas paper there. I don't know why, but don't ask me, okay? I just have it there. Here, I've got like my bodysuits, like not really bodysuits, like my one-piece things. So on this side, I have jumpsuits. Yes, jumpsuits right here, all right here. I got different kinds. This one is an off-the-shoulder one. This one's also off the shoulder. This one is kind of a normal one, and this one is also a normal one. And I got overalls here. I got these short pair. I got these ones. These black ones, and then these black long ones, and then I got these blue long ones. I got a lot of overalls, so that's why. And then at the end, I got my dress. It's my green dress, and then this blue dress. Yes, and then I got other random things here. I hang up my sunglasses. I do, okay? I try to be organized and I hang up my sunglasses. Alright, I got a couple of purses here. I don't really use these, but I got these from random videos. I just hang them up here. I got, behind it right here, I got my scarves. Well, it's supposed to be scarves here, but my scarf is somewhere random. I also have 2 belts right here. And I also have this flower necklace. And right behind it, I have my Halloween costume from last Halloween. I was a skeleton. Yes. Alright, now let's move on to here, this part of my closet. Yes. Alright, so right here I have my favorite purse, my favorite bag, my mini bag, and my camera. I hang them up right here. And then right here I have a whole bunch of random things. Alright, so I got some hats back here. I got hats back here. I got a bunch of stuffed animals, and I got a bunch of socks I do not need. These are Ronald's socks, and I don't know why I have them. I was meant to bring them down to Ronald's room, but I was like completely forgot about them, so I just left them here. And I got a flashlight, okay? And this is my favorite stuffed animal. Okay, let me show you why. So I call her Princess Bubblegum. Wait, there we go. She's so cute and fluffy, and then like, ah, she's not cute and fluffy. Yeah, I love it. I love you. All right. So now let's move on to my actual room. Let's start at the entrance right here. So right here I have my art table. I made this hat. I didn't make the hat. I just painted it at my art class, and I think it's really, really pretty. I painted it and I put yarn on it, and it's really pretty. I love it. This I made literally today. I just made this. I put a bunch of my scrapbook paper together, and I drew this with my markers, and I put like 2 stickers on here with clear backgrounds, and I love it. This I'm gonna stick on my locker when I go back to school. I'm just gonna stick it on there, and it's gonna look super cute. I love it. So yeah, in that corner I got a bed for Chibi and a hot glue gun, because there's a cable thing right there for my hot glue gun, and I just left it there. Yes. And then right here on my wall I have a whole bunch of paintings. Alright, so I got there, boom, bada boom boom. Alright. This painting, this one is my very first drawing I've ever had right here. Very first one. Is one of my friend Noah. We went to the same art class, and then I made a duplicate and I painted it and I made it interesting. And this is my very first painting. That was watercolor, and this is like paint, like acrylic paint. And yeah, I like it. I like it. I like how it turned out. That is it. And this one I really like too, because it's like my face. I drew half of my face. I missed some details, like this little crease thing here, and that's it. But yeah, I like that. So that is my wall. I have a blank space right there. I don't know why. Don't ask why. All right. So yeah, that's awesome. Let's move on to my desk. So right here on my chair, I have my bag, this backpack I made from watercolor. And no, I didn't make the backpack, I just painted it. Yes, this is tie-dye backpack. I attempted to make a swirl on this, but didn't quite work out. But I like it, it looks pretty. It looks very pretty, and I'm gonna use this for my school. On here, on this little shelf right here, I've got this Eiffel Tower I made. I've got some mustaches, and I got some keychains. I made this pine cone here. I meant to give this to my friend at school. I gave it to my friend, and she was like, okay, I'll take it home with me, but I'll just put it in your locker, and I'll take it home. And I put it in my locker, and then the school year ended, and she never ever took it back. So I kept it, because I think it's really pretty, and she never took it. So yeah. Alright, and right here in my drawers, I've got like a massive mess right here. So many paints, it's crazy. I have paintbrushes here, I got my palette thing here. Alright, and that's like a big mess. Oh, my drawers kind of crooked. Oh my gosh, I can't fix that. Oh wow, look at that, that's just crooked. The paint is so heavy. Alright, but next drawer I have a bunch of other random things. I have golf balls. Don't ask why I have golf balls, I like collecting them. I have glitters here. I got little plastic thingies for my 3D pen. I got these pipe cleaners. And I got a whole bunch of other things here. I got googly eyes. These are like my favorite things I have here. Googly eyes. Alright. Our last drawer I have is a bunch of random things. I got pom-poms here. I got sticker book. I got agenda, and I got this folder here. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly show you what's in my folder. Alright, so my folder is just a bunch of random art things. Some of them I didn't finish, some of them I just can't be bothered to put on the wall. These ones, okay, I have a big stack right here, big stack. Alright, so I'm gonna show you a couple, like a one or two, because they're pretty much all the same. I made these things. If you don't know how to make them, it's really easy. Just put some string in some paint, put it on a piece of paper, in some however design you want, close it up, and just take it out, and it makes a really cool design. And I made about 100 of these, so that's fun. Okay, this all like spilled out. All right, so this I did with marker, but as you can see, I didn't finish with the gray all around it. So I have to finish that, but I really like it. I like the pink hair, and that's my favorite bit. So yeah, and that's basically what I have in that folder. All right, moving on to my desk. This disc here. All right, almost everything here I made, like literally. All right, I got my phone here. I got some brush pens here. I did not make these. I did not make them. Okay. I got some pumpkin seeds because I love pumpkin seeds. This I made. This one is really cool. I got some cardboard, put it in the shape of a K, spray painted it white, and then stuck a bunch of flowers in it. I think it's so pretty. I love it so much, and I think it's awesome. I got my unicorn here, glasses. I got some squishies. Squishies. Yes. Alright, these are my two favorites. So I put them up there. This here is messy corner. I put some of these things, these swirly string paint things in the background here. I got this washi tape heart thing, a little bucket for little thingies. I got this. This thing I painted. I took a box of cookies, like an empty box from cookies. I painted it purple, and I stuck a bunch of things in there. I got this painting. It's really cool because it has this feely thingy in it, and it's just really pretty. I love this one. I have another K, and I just put drips of paint on it. I dripped paint on it, and I think it looks really pretty. Here I have my painting. Actually, I made in Canada. I brung back I brung here, and I think it's really pretty. I got a mini calendar. That is not the date today. I have to change it, but I just keep on forgetting about it. I got my Mac here. I got my heated hairbrush, and this thing I made at school about my mom. It's like we meant to make it about like a thing, okay? A thing. I don't know what it's called. And I thought it was hilarious. I don't know how my teacher did not laugh reading it, but I thought it was hilarious. My mom, my dad, my brother, they laughed so hard reading it, so I just had to like put it up there. It's beautiful. I got my stand, my tripod stand thing there. Now, this side of my room. So here is my bed. I got this penguin, this big fat penguin. I love it so much. I got Freddy. That's Freddy. If you didn't know, I had Freddy for like forever. So the moment I came to Spain, I was like, we went shopping at the store, and I was like, is that you? Freddy? And I saw him on the shelf. I'm like, we have to have him. And my parents were like, yeah, we gotta have Freddy. So I got Freddy. He's been here forever for moral support. Love ya. Got my smiley face for smiles. This is my bedside table. This is my Harry Potter book, the last one. I'm on the last chapter, and it's really sad. Got my alarm clock, my charger, some sunglasses, my favorite pair of sunglasses. This is a phone case I made, and here's a pop socket. I'm just gonna pop it up. So yeah, I like that. It's really pretty. I love how the pop socket matches the outside here of the phone case. And see, look, wait, you can see yourself. Wait, there, you can see yourself. Yes, all right. That's awesome. I made that. All right. Let's move on to this side of the bedside table. I made this thing right here. My grandma gave me this. I think it's really pretty, so I just put it right here. And then I have this little text thing here. It's like, you are amazing and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. I think it's beautiful and I love it so much. So that's basically my entire room, unless you want to see my bathroom. I don't know what I did with my lips, but okay. So this is my bathroom. All right. Boom. All right, bathroom here. Entrance, bathroom. All right, behind the door here, I have my pink panda robe. Yeah, I rarely use it. Sometimes I do. All right, here I have my actual bathroom, the actual bathroom stuff. Ignore the bottom bed. No one needs to see those. No one needs to. It's like too dirty, okay? It's way too messy. So this thing has a little bit of history behind it. So my mom used to have this. Yeah, and she used to all the time, and I used to be so jealous of her because I loved it so much. And then one day she was like, I'm gonna chuck this in the back of my closet and forget about it. And she got a new one. I was like, this is my trust, I must steal it. And I took it from her without her knowing, and I hang it up here, and I think it's beautiful. Yes. I got my toothbrush, toothpaste, hairbrush, water flosser thingy-me-jiggy, box of jewelry, very extremely messy, soap, wax for my braces, sink, toilet, bathtub, shower. Oh, and this is actually my pajama shirt I was wearing earlier. Pajama shirt, my lazy gear, my lazy gear. This is lazy gear, and this is my lazy gear. So I just put it right there. You know, safekeeping, right on the bathtub. And that is basically my entire room tour. I think that was a long one. Wasn't that a long one yet? I think that was a long one. All right. But guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button. I'll see y'all later. Peace.